Well, as I promised to move around the school, we are here now in a grade 3 class. This is our grade 3 class. There is an enrollment of 30 learners in grade 3, but today a few are absent due to a flooded river. As you can see, we lack proper sitting places in this class. We also lack modern furniture, which is encouraged these days. Each learner should have a chair and a desk, a single-seater chair and a desk, but we cannot afford to buy such furniture because of lack of funds. Even if you look at the teachers' furniture, it's not suitable, and the classroom as well is too small for learners. The space is not adequate, so we lack resources here. We need to construct an ordinary, a normal classroom, a well-ventilated classroom for this class and other classes at our school. We also lack heritage-based learning materials. We do not have textbooks at this juncture. So if we are given some funds, our main priority is to purchase furniture, textbooks, and syllabi to be used by, and other reference books to be used by teachers. We are facing this plight and others related to learning of our learners. Facilitators do not have reference books, and the infrastructure is not conducive. As you can see, the window frame do not have panes, so when there is wind or rain, you can see the environment is not conducive to our learners. Our learners are affected by bad weather, and the light as well is not adequate, and the walls are not suitable. The teacher cannot even hang charts for learners because of strong winds which may blow away the charts, and there is no door at the door frame. So if animals, as the school is not fenced, if animals come at night, as they sometimes do, they destroy learners' exercise books. And lastly, if you look at the makeshift furniture that we are currently using in the classroom, it's not conducive as well. It is even dangerous. As you can see, we have placed this plate on top of this frame for learners to write on, but it's quite dangerous. As you know that the learners at this age are hyperactive. They run around, and if the plate falls, one may get injured. So if we are to be given funds, our priority will be to purchase furniture, textbooks, and syllabi, so that our pass rate changes for the better. Thank you.